Hello friends, in this video we will talk about how to print reverse number of a given number without using this statement. This statement are shown your screen. Okay, so statement is reverse is equal to reverse multiply 10 plus remainder. So now let's we take an example. For example, we have a number, let's suppose 5, 3, 2 and 9. What is the reverse of this number? 9, 2, 3, 5. Now simply how we write the program of the reverse? Here I write program. Okay, so first we take input. Okay, now what we do one take a variable, let's suppose name remainder, and we take while loop. This run till n does not equal to 0. In while loop what we do, let's suppose a variable name sum equal to 0. Okay, so now what should we do? In how to find reverse number of given number, first we see this, then we apply our concept to how to reverse the number without using this statement. Okay, so see, simply we write our remainder equal to % with 10, then sum equal to sum multiply 10 plus remainder. Then what we do, r equal to and divide by 10. This is our simple program to reverse the number, and then what we do, print the sum. Okay, print sum. Okay, so let's check this program in our compiler. See, this is our program to reverse the given number. Okay, with using this statement. Okay, so let's check this program is correct or not. I give 6, 5, 4, 8, then output is 9, 8, 4, 5, 6. It's a correct output. Now how to print reverse number without using this statement? How we print? Simply we print what? Simply we print n% with 10 only. Our code is completed. Let's check this. Let's suppose we have 6, 5, 4, 2. Now 2, 4, 5, 6, 2, 4, 5, 6 is our correct output, but in last is 0. So what we do, see, in this code, let's run again. See, we give number this, so our output is correct, but last is 0. It's wrong. Why it's wrong? We print the sum statement here. Okay, so we cancel out this, then again run. See, our output is correct. So it's a very easy way to print reverse of the given number. Okay, without using the statement, this statement. Okay, I remove this. So friends, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notifications. Thank you very much friends.